kept encouraging me.
Ka komiti jong kan hun tokit balai luot kalakan tu jore ke Sorkar jela ban Thung no da chairman com managing director lani CMD Pura agatanat Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited lani MEECL. Umin terang ba ka jelau konrat ki sangma nen kesngiu la pentip ba komiti kala banjur lo ka jing don kam bandon da unong elam Pura. Abo penpau bagi rukom trekam Thung ya CMD kilong ki balak hamrim bat kim trekam shu ulaong bagi komiti kala ai Jingmut badon kam ban khmi biang bat banwan rapat da rukom trekam ke bethamai ulaong ru bagi tanat kadang bishar halor kini ki benta.
Political department is going through it. So therefore, once we go through it, then we'll take it forward. The findings basically are on the line that there needs to be the procurement policies that were there are very, very obsolete, very, very old, and therefore there needs to be a process in which this needs to be reviewed and new systems have to come up. It also mentioned about the fact that even from an administrative point of view, there needs to be more focused and more full-time leadership there, and therefore they have submitted that there should be a full-time MD or a full-time CEO that should take forward, and the departments are examining all those aspects.